Hi, welcome to Write Right, your online grammar resource from Texas A&M's University Writing Center. This lesson is on semicolons. So often they are misused or unused because people don't quite understand them. There are three key scenarios that confuse the student: a semicolon or a period, a comma, or a colon itself. We will look at all three situations to clarify when it is okay and beneficial to use a semicolon. We will also look at introductory phrases and units in a series, two cases where semicolons help to clarify the sentence. Let's begin. Many times in our writing, we can have several choppy sentences in a row. A semicolon is a great tool to use in these cases, but we need to be careful. The sentences need to be related. You can't use a semicolon to connect something like, "I'm really tired. I like ice cream." Those things don't go together. But the second option does. Take a look at the next part. If someone were to write down our conversations, I bet they'd use a lot of semicolons. We often leave out the coordinating conjunction, like in this example. A period would be too harsh of a separation, and again, a lot of them in a row can make for a choppy paper. When trying to decide between using a semicolon or a colon, remember that semicolons only join things of equal weight. That means the words on the other side of the semicolon need to be a sentence. A colon is used to present a list, seen in the unequal example. If you've ever heard the phrase comma happy, then you've probably been reprimanded for having too many commas in your sentences. This is where semicolons can help to make your sentence read clearly. Again, the semicolon needs to join things that are of equal weight and closely related. Sometimes we connect these clauses with prepositions or conjunctions or just comma splice altogether. Now, notice how focused the related example is compared to the unrelated example. If you want to put an introductory phrase into your sentence, a nice trick is to put it after a semicolon. This gives it a harsher separation than a comma, but still connects the sentences. But remember, the rule is the introductory phrase has to be followed by a complete sentence. Lastly, semicolons really help to clarify units in a series. Here we see a classic example. There would be a big mess of commas in here, and it would be hard to see where one location ended and where another began, especially with less-known cities and states. Thank you for joining us for another lesson on grammar from yours truly, Texas A&M's University Writing Center.